Hi everybody, Paul here. When a check engine light turns on the dashboard of your vehicle and it's checked with a diagnostic scanner, it may display the term Bank 1 or B1 or Bank 2 or B2. So what exactly does that mean? Let's take a look. The term bank is used to identify a specific side of the engine, which is a row of cylinders. Bank 1 is always located on the side of the engine with cylinder number 1. Cylinder number 1 is always located at the front or the most forward cylinder on the engine. Bank 2 is always located on the opposite side of Bank 1. This applies to inline, V-type, and horizontally opposed engines. Here's a top view of a straight inline engine with 4 cylinders. Notice how cylinder number 1 is located at the front of the engine. This engine only has a Bank 1. There is no Bank 2. Here's a top view of a V8 engine with 8 cylinders. Notice how cylinder number 1 is located at the front of the engine or the most forward cylinder on the engine. On this particular engine, cylinder number 1 is on the left side, making it the Bank 1 side. Bank 2 is located on the opposite side. Engines that have both a Bank 1 and Bank 2 are manufacturer specific and can have a Bank 1 located on either the right or left side of the engine. The best way to know for sure which side is Bank 1 is to check the vehicle's service manual. If you don't have a service manual, then disconnect the electrical connection at one of the oxygen sensors, which will then display Bank 1 or Bank 2 on the diagnostic scanner. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.